My name is Jason Miller, founder of ServiceNow Solutions, and we're about to unlock the power of ServiceNow. Want to thank all 1,033 subscribers. We hit that 1,000 mark, I think it was about a week or two ago, and we have about 1 week until knowledge. And I'll be making my presentation on the SLA engine and how we unlock the power of ServiceNow by trusting and automating SLAs on the ServiceNow platform. So I just wanted to thank everyone for subscribing and also note that only 16% of ServiceNow Solutions views come from subscribers. So if you can hit subscribe, there should be a little red subscribe button right around here, and we'll get to it today. All right, so today we're going to talk about, or we're going to express our love for ServiceNow by removing this logout feature right here, because we always want to stay logged into the platform, don't we? So the way to do this, and it's actually pretty simple, is to go to user preferences. So I just typed in ER space pref. You could also type in sys underscore user underscore preference dot list in this application navigator over here, and I'll pull up this list right here. So then when you select user preferences, you'll come to a screen that looks like this, and the preference that we're going to get rid of is the user.can.logout. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter here, and it'll be one of the three that pop up. Now I'm going to pull this over into a separate screen, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete it. Probably ask me if I want to delete this record. And this isn't something that you do every day, just want to note that, and make sure that your organization is okay with this, because this might not be necessarily best practice, but I definitely wanted to show people out there that this is possible. So I just deleted it right there. Now I'm going to go into another screen. I think I have to log out actually and log back in. So we'll see if this takes on the refresh. If it doesn't, then I'll get out of it, out of the platform, and I'll log back in. So what I'm going to do is log out here. And then, let's see, and I just got this instance today, so let's see, I'm able to log back in with the credentials here. It's going to ask me this, I'm going to say, nope, I don't want Google to save it. And there you go. You see, you don't have your logout option anymore. So, that's our lesson for today. Again, if you can subscribe and help me out, I really appreciate it. In 1 week, I will see you all at Knowledge. And for those of you that aren't going to be able to attend Knowledge, I'm going to try to have my session live streamed up on this channel. So really appreciate it. Just unlock the power of ServiceNow. My name is Jason Miller, founder of ServiceNow Solutions. Have a great day.